Here the question says if x square plus y square equal to 14 and xy equal to 5, find the value of 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y whole square. So how can we solve this problem? Look, at first 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y can be written as x by 2 plus y by 2 whole square. Or instead of this one we can write here LCM of 2 and 2 is 2, so 2 is the denominator. So numerator is x plus y whole square. We have already know the formula for x plus y whole square. What is the formula? We know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is called algebraic identity. So x plus y whole square will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. And here 2 square represent 4. So x square plus y square, that is 14, plus 2 multiplied by xy is 5 divided by 4. So 14 plus 2 5s are 10 by 4. 14 plus 10 represent 24. 24 by 4 will be 6. So 4 6 are 24.